Okay, have an incredibly simple repair here. This light bulb is gone out and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so looking behind the bulb, there's an electrical connector that literally just pulls right off. Grab it on either side and it pulls off. And then there's a rubber boot that has two little pull tabs, and these also just pull right off. Move that connector out of the way. Boot. Alright, that comes right off. Now there's a little metal clip that holds the bulb in place, and all you have to do is push it in and then pull up, and then the whole thing comes apart. The bulb slides right out. Voila! Now that I've handled the boot and all of the other components, I replaced my gloves, brand new gloves, because we don't want to get any oils or anything on this bulb. Okay, so the bulb goes in. The center tab is on the top. Careful not to touch it to anything else. It's got little alignment tabs on it, so it should center up perfectly. See the alignment tab right here on top. And then this clip goes back in place. Push it in. And the way I did that was I push in from the top and then kind of push down, and it locks it in place. Now this boot back on. Make sure that the center of the boot goes around the outside of the bulb, around all of the prongs, and seats and mates with that correctly. And then push it around all around the outside so it seats. You want to keep that sealed, free of any contaminants. Okay. Now the last thing is just to reconnect the bulb in the back, the electrical connection. And voila, that is it. And that is it. Both bulbs working beautifully. It took less than 5 minutes to do this, and the only tools I used were latex gloves, and that's just keeping, extra precaution to keep the bulb clean, free of debris. I mean, you could do it without any of that. No tools really required. Very, very easy job. You can do it in less than 5 minutes.